Every YouTuber or content creator wants a good audio quality in their videos so that audience could connect to the video properly. So in this video, I am going to share my experience of using the Boya BY-M1 microphone. I am going to share everything about this microphone, that how is it, what are the main problems and their solutions. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Now everyone know about the unboxing experience of Boya BY-M1, but I would like to appreciate Boya for providing a pouch in the packaging. Now it's a lavalier microphone, so let's talk about the wire first. Now the length of wire is extremely crazy. It's of 6 meters, so it has some advantage and some disadvantage. Let's talk about advantage first. As it's really long, so it helps me or other creators to go far away from camera and talk but do not lose good audio quality. But talking about disadvantage, as it's too long, so managing cable is very difficult. Although they have provided a velcro strap to manage the extra cable when it's not in use, but it's still a mess if you just leave it open. Talking about the build quality of the microphone's body, then I would say it's quite good. Means it's not fragile, but it's not extremely good as well. It will hold up for a year or more if you use it properly. The main part of microphone is actually made up of aluminium or similar kind of material, because after touching it, it feels cold, though I am not confirm about it. So overall, the quality of wire and the microphone's body is actually good and I liked it. Let's talk about the setup process one by one. First, you have to put the provided cell in the cylindrical case. After that, if you are going to use it with a camera, then shift the switch to camera mode. And if with a smartphone, then switch it to smartphone or off mode. Now talking about how can you start recording and which application you should use. So in smartphone, if you want to do voiceovers, then you should definitely consider downloading RecForge 2 application. I use it for recording my voiceovers and it is a feature-rich app. It supports external microphones as well. But if you want to record A-roll, then the stock camera application of Redmi, Poco or Samsung phones do support external microphone. But if you want a third-party app, then I would recommend to use Open Camera. To record audio from the external microphone, you just have to enable the external microphone options by going into settings of Open Camera. Oh, and if you want to record the audio through your PC, then you have to shift the switch to camera mode. I hope that I made everything clear, because I want you guys to watch just one single video to clarify all your doubts about the microphone. So talking about sound quality, here are some clips of indoor and outdoor conditions from the microphone itself. Alright, so this is the audio quality from the smartphone itself. Now I'll switch to Boya BY-M1 microphone and show you the difference. Alright, so this is the audio quality from the Boya BY-M1 itself. Now this is in the indoor conditions. Do let me know in the comments that do you guys feel any kind of difference. So this is the outdoor condition audio quality of the smartphone itself. Now I'll switch to Boya BY-M1 and show you the difference. Now this is the audio quality from the Boya BY-M1 microphone itself in the outdoor conditions. Do let me know about this as well in the comment section below. So overall, I think that the audio quality is absolutely good. Just one thing that I would like to clarify, that it does capture some background noise For example, if there is a fan running, then it would capture the hiss sound, but to solve this problem, you can actually edit the audio. For me personally, I use Audacity to remove that background noise, and after that the audio quality becomes crisp and superb. And as you guys saw the difference between the quality of smartphone mic and Boya BY-M1 microphone, I could say that the audio quality of my videos has stepped up, for me at least. What do you guys think about the quality? Do let me know in the comment section below. And also, one feature or use of this microphone that no one actually told me is that you can connect this mic to a speaker with aux port and use it in any small function or get together. So overall, I think that the microphone is actually really good, especially if we consider that it's currently available for just rupees 800 to 900, which is a really good pricing for this good microphone. Few months back, this microphone was available for the price of rupees 1500 to 2000, and now that it's just for 800 rupees, it's a really good lavalier microphone in my opinion. I hope that I made everything really clear for all of my creator friends out there. There are a ton of separate videos about the setup process etc. on YouTube, but I wanted to bring one single video in which I would clear all doubts about the Boya BY-M1 microphone and make your purchase decision fair. That's pretty much it for this video people. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome tech related videos. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.